Hi everyone, my name is Carmen Tochnik. I'm an IFBB professional athlete and a businesswoman. I have a very interesting career path that I chose many years ago to understand more about what we should be eating as athletes and how we should be training, maybe what vitamins and supplements we can take to really encourage our optimal performance and our longevity in our career. One of the things as an athlete was you only have 5 years or so, and that's what I kept hearing as an athlete. And I wanted to increase my chances of having a long-term career in bodybuilding. So at a very young age, I got into studying genetics when I was playing professional hockey, and that was where this all started from. So today, here we are, we have this very comprehensive report and a DNA swab. And from this swab, it's a cheek swab, I'm able to help you to understand where your genetic, I call them potholes, are. So you get exactly half of your mom and half of your dad, and this is what we're looking at. To answer questions like, should you have a high protein diet? Or should you have a lower protein diet? Or are healthy fats really healthy for you? And also what kind of vitamins and minerals will really help encourage your DNA to be more functional. So ultimately, we want to understand where your weaknesses are in your genetics so that we can support those areas with simple, affordable, accessible tools, like maybe even a simple vitamin. For example, if I could see in your DNA that you had a mutation in an F5 gene, that would be an instant indication that that person would need vitamin E in a very special form to help to prevent instant blood clot. So that would be something that could save somebody's life. So for a simple $399 USD, they can get this entire book about them, which goes into diet, health, brain, and also fitness. So it covers over 200 different methylation genes, but 200 different areas of your DNA, including methylation. So we're testing 7 different areas of methylation, which is very, very important for people to understand. Now, I know a lot of people won't know what methylation is. However, if you're watching this video, it's something that I want you to look up and understand because it can truly change your life by understanding your methylation genes. So when you understand your own unique DNA, it gives you guidance as to what you can do to help yourself, rather than taking advice from all these other ideals, coaches, and different books and fads. You're gonna get a direct roadmap, or I call it your body's architecture, so that you can build your house on it. Your coach then can take that information and use that information to design you the best possible program, no matter what you're trying to do. Maybe you're trying to have a healthier baby. Maybe you're fighting some kind of disease. Maybe you're preventing disease. Maybe you're anti-aging. Maybe you're a pro athlete. Knowing your DNA is something that everybody should understand. The earlier, the better, right from birth. So going back to what it all tells you, it's going to go into really good detail, things that maybe you've been curious, like for example, should you be doing morning cardio? Do you need an intra-carb workout drink? Maybe you need to do lower reps. Maybe you need higher reps. These are all things that some of the best people in the world are still questioning. You know, if they knew, they could have dialed in exactly what their body was going to be conditioned and better suited for. So why do all these different things in the world? Low reps, medium reps, high reps, or long endurance cardio, short cardio, fast cardio, interval cardio. And truly, we keep searching outwards for all of these answers. We keep asking all these other people, all these other pros, all these other doctors, when really the answer is actually within you, your DNA. So I highly suggest that everybody learns their DNA first and then starts going outward looking for more help on motivation, basically how many almonds to eat. A DNA test can't tell you how many almonds to eat, but it certainly can tell you whether or not unsaturated fats are going to be beneficial for you or not. So you still need a good coach, or you need to understand nutrition to know how many almonds to eat again. So this is a very good tool for yourself or for coaches to be using with their clients. And I highly recommend that everybody truly look at what DNA testing can help you with and why you need to know it. As a coach, Once I understood how to use DNA data for my clients, it gave me such confidence, and it also gave my clients extreme amount of confidence that we were going to lessen our trial and error and really be able to focus where our time, our money, and our effort goes. And it's truly a simple DNA swab that can be mailed anywhere in the world. It's a cheek swab. It comes back to our lab here in Canada, and it takes 2 to 4 weeks to sequence your DNA and prepare this amazing report for you. So this is all the information you're going to get. And I want to say that it's very simple to read. We spent a lot of time making sure that these reports were actionable and that we had accessible, affordable solutions so that you weren't sitting there just saying, oh, I have my DNA and I don't know what to do with it. Our focus was truly about a DNA solution company. So we've really focused on coming up with DNA solutions for you to encourage your DNA to be better, stronger, so you live longer, healthier, more happy, more sexy, more fit, and hopefully with a lot less chronic pain, illness, and disease. DNA is not like blood work. Blood work is what is happening in the body right now. DNA is what you're born with. So they're two very important tests to have done. However, DNA is the prevention way. Once it shows up in your blood work, Houston, we got a problem. It's too late, or it could be too late. So yes, trainers are saying we do blood work, but I'm saying let's do DNA first. Let's hopefully not have to do all this blood work to find all these problems. So truly, guys, it's very, very important for you to truly look at why you need to understand your DNA. We're a company, we've been in business for almost 2 decades. I'm very passionate and so dedicated, committed to bringing accessible, affordable DNA testing to you no matter where you are in the world. And once again, super focused on figuring out what do we do when we see a little pothole in your DNA. We're extremely committed to helping you find solutions and furthermore, educating you on what you can truly do to improve yourself and optimize your health and fitness.